Look what just came in the mail. Huge box, about 80 pounds. Let's see what's inside. So there we go, we got it out of the box. I put it all together, followed the instructions on the startup and function test, added automotive coolant in there, and this thing is an absolute beast. Way light years ahead of my old pump. So this is really going to speed up my air gun filling. This came perfect out of package. The box is really well put together. Comes with all your extra tools you would need. This is the GX pump, GX-E-5k1, 900 watts. It has a onboard reservoir. You fill up with automotive coolant, and this thing is a beast. I mean, I'm really happy with the purchase. It's on wheels, so I don't have to have a pump on a desk taking up valuable tabletop space. So this can live on the floor here in the shop, and I'll be putting it to use. I'm sure you guys are going to see this pump a lot more in the future on the channel, because this is going to be the way that I fill up all my air guns. So subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.